A very, very good morning, everyone. How are you? A very, very good morning, everyone. कर दिया मैंने मन. हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो तुम लोग? हेलो बेटा दानिश, सपना, ज्योति, शंकरन. ओके, शिवांगी इज विद एनी डाउट? ओके, हेलो बेटा शिवांगी राठौर, अरुण, प्रियंका, रवि, वेदिका, नरेश. Very, very good morning, Krishnan. इसी चला देना प्लीज सर. So we are now live. I'm good. So beta, I'm taking directly without wasting your time. Since we have very limited lecture, I'm directly coming to the topic. As you already know, by nature, I directly come to the topic. Yes. So beta, there is one doubt. Shivangi is sending, sir, one doubt is there. Okay, Shivangi beta, I am taking your doubt. But the problem number 7D you have written. So I don't think in the assignment which I have provided you combined, from which we shall deal in the class, I don't think so. There is any question number 7D in problem number 7D. I'm opening the book. That book is here. No, this is partnership. Banking company chapter is wait a minute, how it is possible? Yes, chapter number 7. Yes, this is the chapter. Yes, beta. Now please, Shivangi, tell me page number and question number. This is the combined PDF. Okay, beta? Yes. Good morning. Could you please? Okay. Good morning. Testing. Acha. Sir, problem number 25. Whole please explain. 25 and 26 you are telling. You are messaging here. 25 and 26, I think. Hai na? Okay. Then let me know, beta. 25 number. You are saying 7D also. First, tell me sequence wise 7th number. So I am opening here page number and question number. As per you, it is question number 7 and D part. Beta, please tell me page number also. In case you are asking doubt, then tell me page number also. This is question number 7. This is question number 7, beta. Shivangi. Problem number 7. There are no any part A, B, C, D, beta. Please refer this combined book, combined chapter in which all the study material, illustration questions and past examination questions have been combined. So please take the sequence of this question. So now I am taking 7th number. Shivangi, first you ask the question. Please ask me, is this the right question which you are asking? Good morning, Piyush, Krishnan. Beta, I am waiting for your reply, beta. Okay. Till the time Shivani is replying, I am taking another. Sorry, sir, not problem number 7. It's problem number 16D. Okay, beta. Yeah, that's the thing I'm asking you. So before 25th, there is a 17. So I'm taking doubt of question number 16. Sorry, 16. Yes. Question number 16. Please open question number 16, everyone. And it is 16D part. Question number 16, D part. Yes, beta. What the problem you are facing in this, beta? Shivangi? Okay, I'm telling you in full detail. So, beta, see, the following balances are extracted from trial balance as on 31st March 2022. Interest and discount is there. Okay, this is what? This is the interest and discount account which have been credited during the year. Okay, beta. Now, rebate on bill discounted is also there. Rebate on bill discounted is also there. If any rebate has been entered in the trial balance, it means that is the opening balance. That is the opening balance. Otherwise, if it is closing balance, then that have been adjusted. Okay, beta. Now see what the question is saying. Rebate on bill discounted. This is what? This is, yes, this is opening balance. And this is what? This is closing balance, beta. Here you are finding here the closing rebate. Yes, to be mature in next year. Yes, of course, closing. Now, what you want to know? Definitely you want to know the profit and loss figure. So beta, instead of taking the solution provided by ICAI, please take in this way. You will definitely find your solution. Beta, see, you will prepare in this way: interest and discount income account. And beta, opening balance is there. After answering this query, I will concentrate on next query. Okay, beta. There is opening balance, that is how much? That is by balance brought down. Opening unaccrued income, that is 20,000. And then closing unaccrued income, that is 14,000. And here is during the year interest and discount occurred. Okay, beta. That is what? That is, you know what entry we do normally? This purchase and discount account debit to client account, and to what we did to interest and discount account. Okay, beta. So what we do? Bills, purchase and discount account, discounted account, whatever we have learned, journal entries as per ICAI study material, that should be done. That's another thing, that the compound posting has been posted there. It will be better. You will do in this way. That will give you more clarity. 98 lakh. What the amount of profit you will find here to transfer to profit and loss? 9820 is the total. 9820 is the total, and to profit and loss account, that is 98 6,000. Yes. Shivangi, beta, tell me whether your query has been solved or not. Now I am, for the time being, now I am focusing to next query. And next query is question number 25th. Okay, beta. Uncertain liabilities, beta, I will discuss today. Okay, beta. Acceptance, etc., bank guarantee, etc. We shall discuss today. In that you will find the answer, beta, Krishnan. Yes. Yes, Abdul, you are right. The same answer you have given here. Very good, beta. So now I am moving to, before question number 26, I am moving to, as per sequence, question number 25. So beta, Danesh, tell me what the doubt you are having in question number 25. Shivangi, beta, I am waiting for a reply that your query has been solved or not regarding this question. So I think you were confused while there are two lasers. So now the question is question number 25th, and after that 26. Question number 25th, and after that 26. Question number 25th. And where is 25th? Is it 27, 26, 25th? Yes. Beta, Shivangi, still I couldn't get your answer, beta. This is what? This is question number 25th. Yes, beta. Actually, this is the question. Okay, problem number 11. Okay. Since that was not given me first, so beta, as per sequence, I will move. After 25th, I will move to 26 and then to 11. Okay, beta. Now see, Beta, question number 25 clearly says that there are certain cases in which you have to find out whether an account is NPA or not. Okay, Shivangi's query has been solved. Yes, I got reply. Now, beta, I am focusing on question number 25, and question number 25 is query of Dinesh and also with other student, maybe. So everybody has responsibility to answer. Okay, beta. See, beta, question is saying, what question is saying? That the account is out of order or not. Actually, I am also practicing, and I am also nowadays handling the financial statement of a public group company. So I used to face these things in daily circumstances, and with the practical exposure, I am giving you the things here, beta. See, once you go into the business, you need the loan requirement to get the leverage benefit, and there are different type of loan facility, as I told you earlier. One is CC limit, another is OD limit, and then term loan, and then other type of loan, incentive type loan are also there. No issue, beta. Alok, nothing is left yet now. Okay, beta. Only the doubts discussion are there. So, beta, in this case, when one company is applying for a CC limit, that is called cash credit limit. That is called cash credit limit. This limit is sanctioned based on the debtors and stock. Okay, beta. And when debtors and stock are formed, those are called like working capital. Just for your knowledge, just for your framing. So that working capital is the blocked fund of the business. For that, bank can finance in the form of cash credit limit, that you have already blocked your money in the credit duration, like debtors, creditors, etc., in the working capital. So that fund is being financed by bank in the form of cash credit, and there is of course a sanction limit for each and every type of loan. Okay, beta. So this is what this is the sanction amount number one. Beta, I will focus to next query if there is any query only after answering the query which is under discussion. Okay, beta. So if I couldn't reply to you, then don't mind. I will first focus to the query under process. Okay, beta. Sanction limit is there. That is in the case of one, that is 60. Okay, beta. That is 60 lakh. Beta, what the drawing power they are having? Number two, what the drawing power they are having? They are having 56. How this is decided? Based on the stock statement provided. Stock statement, yeah. Actually, monthly details are provided by businessman in the form of company or in the form of proprietor, in the form of any status. They provide their details to bank from which they have taken the finance. Okay, but from which they have borrowed the money in the form of cash credit. And that report is named as stock statement. Usually, students may feel that stock statement is like the detail about stock. No, beta, not only about stock. All the funds which have been blocked in the working capital in the form of stock, in the form of debtors, since they have sold their goods on credit to someone and the fund has been blocked, those are combined. And on the basis of that, the percentage is calculated. That is called drawing power. So this is to be checked, that the drawing power is how much? This one. If they are using the money over and above that, then definitely their drawing power is reduced. Better just like credit card. Now see, we have already learned here another point of theory. In starting, you will find here another theory, that if any account has not been credited even the amount of interest debited, then also these accounts are called NPA. See, this is the case. See, this is the case. This is the case. The outstanding balance. So again, we are saying here in this way, cash credit overdraft account is treated as NPA. If it becomes out of order means beta, if account is not following the rules as decided in the sanction. Suppose any of you are doing properly homework, but still that cannot be a good person if he is not following the rules of class. Sorry, I am giving this example just to make you understood. Even if you are doing the homework, still you are not following the class, you will not be able to be called as good student. In the same way, there may be different circumstances of conditions which are not being followed. Due to that account may be called disorder. So beta, here the cases which have been mentioned as per study material. See, that account can become out of order, that is called irregular, if account is due to if outstanding amount remain continuously excess of the sanction limit. Now tell me, in this case, amount outstanding is more than the sanction limit or not? Tell me, amount outstanding. What is the amount outstanding? That is, sir, 48 lakh. Is this over and above the sanction limit? No. So on this condition, it is not, it cannot be said as out of order, or you can say NPA. Now see, another point is also there. Beta, outstanding balance remains below the sanction limit. There have been no credits for continuous period of more than 90 days prior to balance sheet. That is enough to cover the interest debited. As I told you, beta, if an account has not been credited with the amount which is sufficient to cover the interest, you know, if we are taking the facility to draw the money from bank and we have not even credited the interest amount, then bank will say, why you have taken facility if you are not able to pay my interest? At least credit such amount which can be debited by me into your account to recover the interest, of course. So beta, then in that case also such can be called that account is not regular, so means NPA. Okay beta, see, non-performing. See, now see what the amount of interest is there which has been debited. So interest has been debited rupees 3,84,000. Now tell me whether at least such amount has been credited to that account or not. Sir, here it is saying only the amount has been credited is no, nothing, nil. So based on this, beta, such account will be treated as that is not out of order, that is not complying. Okay beta. So since the discompliance, since the disorder, this out of orderness has been continued for 90 days. Now we have to check whether such disorderness has been continued for 90 days or not. If so, then such account will be treated as NPA. Beta, in practical life, while you will be audited into bank, then also you can declare an account NPA based on this condition. See, now we have to check. Beta, above period, which is the above period? 1 to 31st month, January to March. Yes, the 3 month has gone. Now such account will be treated as NPA. So in this case, this will be NPA because not even the amount which is sufficient to cover the interest has been credited. Now come to the case number 2. First check, the amount outstanding is more than the sanction limit. No, that can never happen. How that can happen? If sanction limit is this one, how bank account can be more than that? Okay beta. Now see another condition, interest has been debited, this one, whether the amount credited to such account is sufficient to cover the interest. Yes, this is very easy from, this is very easy to cover 2,40,000 from 3,20,000. It means account is not in disorder. Okay beta, not out of order. It means account is not NPA. It is not NPA, or you can say it is not disorder. Okay, so in order, this account is in order as per sanction limit. Okay beta. So question number 25 query Now clear? Okay, Dinesh has answered. Now I am moving to next query, which one of the students has asked. Question number 26, I think. Someone was asking. Yeah, again Shivani was asking. Can amount outstanding more than drawing power? Yes, beta. Sometime drawing power get reduced because drawing power is calculated based on the report submitted by you monthly to the bank. Of that, percentage is given. Stock 75%, debtors 60%, something like that. Percentages are there. The bank always calculate whether you are having so much drawing power or not, to draw the power or not. Whether bank has allowed into your pocket that if you can draw, bank has given you right to withdraw 60 lakh in case one. But based on the report submitted by you to the bank calculate the drawing power. Okay, beta. So amount outstanding can be more than the drawing power. Suppose in next month you submitted the low amount in the stock statement, based on that the drawing power will get reduced. But the amount outstanding was from the last. Yes, beta Shivangi, I am coming to 26. So beta, now question number 26 is also there. That is what? That is bills for collection. Beta, bills for collection I discussed with you all in the last lecture. The bills has been handed over by customer, by the bank client to bank, just to collect the bill. Okay beta, just to collect the bill. Now see, oh machhar hai bhai, 2 minutes. See, this is what? Drawer. This is what? Drawing. This is Mr. A and this is Mr. B. Now, BR was received from Mr. B to Mr. A, and such BR are handed over to bank. This is what? This is your bank. This is handed over to bank, and bank handle your bills of exchange for the collection. So bank is saying nothing is for me. Everything here is Mohamaya. Whatever the amount I will receive, that will be deposited into account. Whatever the amount I will pay on your behalf, I will debit your account. So bills for collection is just like a dummy paper handed over to bank. Okay, beta. That is neither the assets for bank nor the liability for bank. So there may be two cases, either to not record, otherwise if you want to record, then you have to record in the form of both sides. So bills for collection is like assets also. This is the asset side. If you will record, then you will record on the both the side. And liability. What is the amount here? First, see. This is what for banking bills of collection was rupee, this one on 1st April. It means beta, the opening account balances were there in the asset side and liability side also. Wait a minute. Eraser. See, in the asset side, opening balance was there, and in the liability side also, the amount was there correspondingly. Beta, I am coming to Annexure 4, don't worry. Annexure 4, don't worry. First see this. Now, next point is during the year, bills received, more bills were received for collection, repeat this one. Okay, beta. Now see, neither the liability nor the assets, but if you record, then record on the both side. Another assets they have received. Assets account debit and corresponding credit. Liability account debit, bills for collection, assets account debit to bills for collection, liability corresponding. At the same moment, both the sides will be hit at the same moment. Tell me, is this okay to you or not, beta? I am waiting for your answer, beta. After that, I shall move further. Let me know, beta. Shivangi, till this okay? Now, when the bills are collected, then the name of the assets or liabilities are removed from the list. Okay, beta. How much bills were collected? How much amount bills were collected? or dishonored. I am taking both the amount together, 16.5 and 141. Both the amounts have been settled. Now, those are not in the hands of bank as a handler. Okay, beta. Now see, both of these will be cancelled at the same moment, since these have been collected or dishonored. Now we can say their settlement has been done. Whatever the settlement is there, now they are not in the hands of bank to handle anything. Okay, beta. Now balancing figure is there, that will be called closing balance. What the remaining amount is there to handle, that is called remaining balance. Okay, beta. I hope I could able to explain you. Please let me know, Shivani, your doubt is okay. Shivangi, beta, doubt is okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now I am looking okay. No any problem is there further to discuss now, beta. Now another doubt has come, but that belongs to next topic. Okay, beta. Tier 1, tier 2 will be discussed after the question practice, beta. Piyush. Okay, beta. That topic has not been discussed. That will be discussed with capital adequacy ratio, CAR. Okay. What is annexure 4? Let's start. So, beta, this is the format. Where is the format? Where is the format? Wait a minute. I'm opening the format. You are asking for annexure 4. Okay. Annexure 4. Annexure 1, annexure 2, annexure 3, and then annexure 4. Beta, these are just annexure 4. Where is annexure 4? Two. Okay, yeah, beta. This will be discussed with CAR, capital adequacy ratio. Please note it down. Capital adequacy ratio. Okay, beta. Okay. One more problem was there. Problem number 11. Wait a minute, beta. Krishnan. So please open problem number 11. Please open problem number 11. Problem number 11. Wait a minute. Problem number 11. Yes. Problem number 11. अजीत जी एक बार AC चला दीजिए. Problem number 11. Yes, such belongs to BR discounted, beta. So, beta, see what the problem you are having in this question, beta. Let me know, please. Otherwise, full question will be discussed. Let me know what the problem you are having, beta. I am waiting for your proper query, beta. Shankaran, Krishnan, tell me what is the problem exactly in this question. YouTube student, you can also join application to ask your doubt, or you can give your support by giving likes and etc. But ask me please, Krishnan, I am waiting for your query. Exactly what query you are having in this question? Krishnan, beta, I am waiting for you, and everyone is waiting for you. How discount on bill is 10.8? How discount on bill is 10.8? Okay, beta, 10.8 is rebate. Okay, beta, see. You are asking for this one. Beta, let's read the question then. On 31st March 2021, bank had a balance. It means opening balance in rebate on bill discounted. Okay, this is what? This is opening rebate on bill discounting. Okay. During the year, bank discounted bills of exchange 4,000. Average period of discount is 73. You know, many of bills are there, so they have taken an average. On an average, we used to give the 73 duration. Okay, beta, I am getting 108. So you are getting 108. Okay, beta, these figures are in crores. Okay, beta. Anyways, now next point is, of these bills exchange 600 were due for relation from the acceptor after March. Okay, it means 600 amount is there. On that we have to calculate closing rebate. Okay, beta, multiplied by, acha, for that 36.5. Okay, 600 crores are there, multiplied by how much amount percentage is there? That is 18%, multiplied by 36.5 divided by 365, beta. So 600 multiplied by 18% multiplied by 36.5 divided by 365, beta, it comes out 10.8. Maybe you could, he has done, yes, you are right, beta Abdul, maybe he has not done 36.5 divided 365. Yeah, beta, that may be reason. Don't worry, it may be clerical mistake. I hope your doubt is clear, beta. Krishnan, let me know. Although this is the clerical mistake, usually happen. Okay, beta. Anyways, now move to next topic. Wait. बहुत देर से प्यास लग रही थी, सोचा था अपीयूं. आओ बच्चों. Okay, beta, let's start. Now new topic is going to start. Beta, as I discussed with you all, that we have to do the questions in financial statement of banking company, and we have already covered this topic with you all. I have given you already the homework regarding this. Definitely that has not been done by you. So how can you say? No, it seems, because none of the person is asking about any doubt which is related to the financial statement. It means none of the person has read the format. Anyways, no issue. But there was some theory also. I will discuss with you all. Yes, beta Krishna. Okay. Okay, let's discuss this query, this theory first, and then move to numerical, so that all the things may be in proper sequence. Beta, see what I discussed with you all. Beta, this is the point. See, RBI is there, and many of banks are there, and publics are there. Banks give loan to public. Banks gives loan to public. I am moving the public outside from the from that. So this is what? This is public. Bank gives loan to public, and that is called the rate, which is called bank rate. Which is called bank rate. Beta, please read this theory, which is called bank rate. Okay, beta, very good, Danesh. Very good. Now see, beta, please read this. I will cover each and every theory point, but at the right time. But you have to be concentrated so that you can feel very easy in this concept. Beta, When we go after being CA to bank and we ask, we want to buy OD or we want to buy home, please provide us loan. The rate bank will charge from us or from other businessmen, that rate is called bank rate. The bank directly takes the interest from the public at the rate which is called bank rate. Okay, beta. But usually, in case of bank, the amount is short, yes, because RBI has clearly instructed, note the big cash must be collected at the one branch over and above the excess to the limit cash reserve ratio that must be shifted to RBI currency chest branch. Okay, beta. Now see, whenever bank need money, bank can also ask RBI, kindly provide us the amount we are running in shortage to provide fund to public. Then RBI also gives loan to banks, and this is the question of reputation. So it is called repo rate. This is called repo rate. Beta, I am giving you the theory in this way. Beta, the loan given by RBI to banks, on that interest is charged, and that rate is called repo rate. If any of bank is asking money from RBI, then RBI will charge interest from those banks, and that rate will be called repo rate. In case of reverse, RBI also needs funds, yes, to provide to other banks, or other type of requirements are there. In that case, if RBI asks money, what I am saying to you, beta, if RBI asks money from banks, if RBI want loan from banks, then it is called reverse repo rate, at which interest is being paid by RBI to banks. This is called reverse repo rate. The reputation has been reverse repo rate. Okay, beta, please let me know whether you are clear with this point or not. Bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate. And after that, now coming to next point of the theory. Okay, only Danesh has told clear. Okay, Alok is asking a doubt. Sir, ये क्या लिखा है? Mibor. I am coming to Mibor, beta. Alok, the next point is Mibor. Don't worry. I am asking you 3 point: bank rate, repo rate, and reverse repo rate. All these 3 are clear to you or not? Let me know, please. Everyone, each and every point will be covered, but your reply is must. Yes, clear. Okay, clear. Now see, now there is another type of transaction between the banks. One transaction is banks and RBI and banks, between those. And another type of transactions are between banks itself. So if banks are moving, banks are giving fund to each other. Banks are giving funds to each other. Banks are giving funds to each other. Then also they charge interest from other bank, the receiver bank, because money has its time value. Beta, bank can earn money by giving loan to customer. Then why bank will suffer? Its profitability will be questions. Hence, beta, bank will charge interest from the other bank also, and that is that is called Mibor rate. Okay, beta, that is called Mibor rate. Now, another point is also there. While the same type of transactions are done between Indian banks and foreign banks, then interest is also given and paid either by the foreign bank to Indian bank or Indian bank to foreign bank, and that rate at which such interest is being dealt, that is called LIBOR rate, London Interbank Offered Rate. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Very, very good, Piyush. Very, very good. Piyush is saying very, very perfect things. That's why there is one difference. The security is not being given. Yes, beta. Very good. Since RBI is before that, okay, beta, RBI never allow any bank to fail. RBI will never let any bank to fail. Okay, beta. Anyways, now coming to next part of the theory. So, beta, there is a requirement. You know, there is a requirement for CRR. This is called cash reserve ratio. What I am saying to you, beta, cash reserve ratio. Beta, we have to check the cash reserve ratio also here. Okay, beta, CRR. Can anyone tell what is the CRR? What is the CRR percentage? Everyone waiting for an answer. Who will tell me? Okay, another question is there. In case reverse repo, can RBI also pay interest to bank? Yes, RBI has to pay, beta. RBI has to pay. Interest will be paid or received as per the requirement. Who will tell me what is the CRR, cash reserve ratio nowadays? I am waiting, beta. Is there anyone? Sir, okay, you are saying and we are agreeing. But sir, after that, how we shall update ourselves? There are two things. One is for exam. If anybody is having next attempt due to any reason, how he will update? Beta, he will have to see. Very good, beta. Correct answer, beta. Log. He will have to see the art revision test paper. Okay, beta. That will give you the updated percentage. I am providing you today lectures in the slow mode. The reason is only that there must be proper linking of each and everything, because that may cause you a loss. Okay, beta. Please see. So very good answer by Alok. Very good answer by Danesh. Beta, Danesh, please check the percentage. See, in this way we can check. So let's check. Beta, it is 4%. Still I want all of you to get update in this regard, in this way. Yes, 4.5, sorry. There is ICI website. Yes, sir. How you will check? Please see. This is www.ici.org. And now please go to our revision test paper. This is the student section where you will find what? Intermediate course. Then, sorry. Please go to our revision test paper. Okay, I have already downloaded. Wait a minute. I have already downloaded here. Revision test paper. Where is the revision test paper? Okay, anyways. Beta, yes, 4.5. So you are already updated. So I am moving further. Beta, see, there is 4.5. So in access to 4.5, rest cash is handed over to RBI. See, more than 4.5% cash reserve ratio. That cash is transferred directly to whom? Directly to currency chest branch of Reserve Bank of India. Now last point. Beta, 25% for SLR, beta, that is not here relevant, Sapna, beta. Okay, beta, we will discuss in today's lecture. Don't worry. So CRR percentage you are updated? Yes, sir. Sir, how we can check in case we are in practical environment, but better then please see. You have to check in this way. Search the master circular of RBI. Master circular of RBI, and then you will click the and reach to Reserve Bank of India site, where you will find all the update. Okay, beta. Here is the master circulars, and you will click and you will reach to the correct point. Okay, beta. In this way, you will find all the percentage here. Okay, beta. This is the site of Reserve Bank of India, where all the updated percentages are given. Now moving back to the class, beta. Now see, there is financial statement format. There is financial statement format. I hope everyone has covered this. Yes, this is the format. This is the format. Okay, this is not the same. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, please. Okay, let's discuss. Beta, see. सर एसी चला दीजिए प्लीज, थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट हो रहा है अजीत जी. आंसर बेटा, दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ P&L. फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. हाँ बेटा मैं बताऊंगा आज. अभी क्वेश्चन में करेंगे दिनेश, करंट ईयर के प्रॉफिट पे. बस ध्यान रखना, एक क्वेश्चन है जहां बच्चा अक्सर गलती करता है दिनेश. ओके, नाउ सी बेटा, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. बेटा फॉर्म बी, please listen to me very carefully. In exam usually questions are coming from P&L account, for P&L account. Beta, this is the format. Here you will find only 4 things are there. First you will write here particulars. This is what, this is the note number, no note number. This is what, schedule number. Then current year figure, then previous year figure. Okay beta. And there are, these are what, these are incomes. Here you will find number 1, incomes. In case of income, bank is having the main income. What is the income beta? What is main income? Interest income. Interest income. And rest of the incomes are called other income. Same as in case of Companies Act 2013, revenue from operation is there and other incomes. Same is case here. Here what is the main operation? Main operation is for interest income. Okay beta. Now rest are other incomes. Now after that you will do the total. This will be called total of income. Now this is what, this is the expenditures. Expenditures. And here of course interest earned, opposite side is interest expense. So first expense, main expense is interest expense, because this is the main nature of bank. Interest is earned and interest is expensed. अजीत जी एसी चला दीजिए. B part operating expense, and C part beta last. C part is last beta. That is what? That is provisions. That is what? That is provisions. You know, in case of NPA, you have learned provisions. Yes, substandard standard provision 0.40%. In case of NPA, there may be substandard, there may be doubtful, there may be loss. The provision will be mentioned here. And after doing the total here, this is what? This is total. And after that, you will find what you will find. Number third point. That is called either profit or loss. Okay, beta. Now the profit and loss is there. Beta, see how you will find the profit. So it is very, very easy. Why you are saying like this? Beta, there are two parts of this. Number one is profit or loss of the year, which belongs to current year, and B, beta, opening P&L appropriation balances are always there in case of company. In the same way, here is also opening profit and loss account, opening profit and loss account. Next, this is called the total profits, for which bank will decide whether to appropriate or whether to transfer to reserve. What should be done? Okay, beta. First, we have to check what is the total profit. Now, next section is Haji is gone. It's better to call him from mobile. Yeah, Piyush, I will call. Anyways, appropriation. थोड़ा सा गर्मी लग रही थी ना, तो डिस्कम्फर्ट हो रहा था पढ़ाने में, पीयूष. Anyways, now, beta, see whether the whole profit to be distributed or whether the whole profit to be transferred to reserve, beta, totally belongs on the provision of the bank, legal provision of the bank. Out of such, one provision is pre-decided. That is A. That is called statutory reserve. Statutory reserve. Can anyone tell what is the percentage of statutory reserve? I am waiting, beta. Who will tell me? Sapna, beta. So as per law, this is the minimum reserve which you have to kept from the profit. The profit you have to reserve as per law. Okay, beta. Now, next is B. Other reserve. Other than that, if bank has to maintain any other reserve. Okay, beta. Very good, Jyoti. I am waiting for other student to reply. Next point is C. Next point is C. That is, if a bank decided to distribute dividend, of course, but a bank is a company and profit share may be distributed. D. Rest that has to be transferred to balance sheet. Balance transfer to balance sheet as surplus. So, beta, this is the total which you have to prepare in exam. See, beta, that was very much old figure, beta, Alok. That was in starting. Okay. Now this is 25%, of course. Now, beta, see. Sir, what we have to check in the practical? Beta, bank will give you all the things practically ready. Sir, if we are doing job in bank, then do we have to prepare these? No, beta. There is automatically software, that is ERP. You will be entering and all the posting will be posted to the right place. So just we have to understand the things. If we will be auditing, then we have to understand the proper format and proper things, updated things, so that we may be able to audit properly. Okay, beta. Now I am coming to the next point. Okay, this is 25%. I have not written yet. This is what? This is 25%. Now moving to the question, beta. Okay, beta. No knowledge without practice. Now move to the question, and question is there. Question number 18. Yes, question number 18 is there. To save time, I have already prepared these things, this solution. Okay, beta, for you. Please see. Question number 18. First, you have to discuss with me. Yes, beta, reserve and surplus. Yes, in the reserve and surplus, those will be shown, beta. Abdul, yes. Can bank also pay? Yes, beta, Dinesh. Now, please see. Everyone is ready? Show me your Josh. Everyone, give me your Josh, beta. अजीत जी AC चला दो. Everyone, beta, see. This is the question of exam. Now in your study material, see what question is saying. From the following information, prepare profit and loss account of Dimple Bank. No, beta. It is added here. Okay, beta, because reserves are added to reserves and P&L are added to P&L. Okay, beta. Manoj. Now see. So question is saying, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2023 and 21-22 detail are given previous figure. Okay, beta. Very, very good. Very, very good. I really need this. Everyone is saying ready. Yes. I really need energy from your side because of anyways. Now please see. Beta, see, interest and discount is there. Interest and discount is there. Please open question number 18. Question number 18, beta. Everyone, please open question number 18 and read this. Now you will tell me in which schedule such will fall. Remember, those will be classified either of these. See, up to the balance sheet number were there up to the 12, and these are the schedule number. Schedule number 13 is for interest income. Schedule number 14 is for other income, and 15 is for interest expense, and beta 16 is for operating expense. There is no any number for provision. Only working note we have to prepare. Anyways, now please tell me to which state schedule number you will post these. I will write here the schedule number only. Okay, beta. Very, very good. Danish has answered. Remember, 13 is for interest income and corresponding 15 is for interest expense. 14 is for other income, corresponding other expense are in 16. Now see, question is there. Interest and discount. Tell me everyone. Only Danesh is answering. I am waiting for an answer, beta. Please show me your Josh. I am writing here schedule number in which such will fall. Schedule number 13. Next, income from investments. Beta, tell me, income from investments, where you will post it? Sir, of course, interest income from investment. This will also fall in 13. Interest on balance with RBI. Interest on balance with RBI. Sir, of course, interest. These are in schedule 13. Now, commission, exchange and brokerage. I am waiting. And yes, Alok, Danesh, Shankaran, very, very good. This is what? Both of these are not the interest. So, beta, such will be fall in schedule number 14. Schedule number 14, because both of them are not the interest income. Now, moving to the next point, beta. Yes. Next is what? Interest on deposits. Interest on deposit. Who will tell me? I am waiting for an answer, beta. Interest on deposits. Who will tell me where such will fall? Please write down interest on deposit and schedule number. I am waiting, beta. Here you will find something new. Jyoti has answered 15. Alok has answered 14. Sapna has answered 13. Shankaran has answered 13. Beta, waiting. Where are rest of the students? They are enjoying the paratha. Very bad. Very bad. They will not digest if they are not answering. 15. Very good. I am really happy. Most of the student has answered schedule 15. It means you are understanding properly. Beta, usually students do here mistake. They think interest is there and please go to income side. Always interest word if they represent like income. No, beta. Here interest is on deposit and you are a bank and you are accepting the deposit from public and paying the interest. Okay, beta Danesh. So they are paying the interest on deposits. You are a bank. Remember, it's the trial which has been generated from your books. You have done journal entries, prepared ledger, and then trial balance. Whatever the method is there, that was generated by ERP system, Finacle 9, Finacle 10 software are there. They generate the trial, and this is the trial. The trial is of bank, and when bank is saying interest on deposit, if the bank is saying interest on deposit, that means they have accepted the deposit and on which the bank is paying the interest. Okay, beta. If bank is saying interest on deposit with RBI, with other bank, then only then such belongs to income of bank. Okay, beta. Very good. Okay, beta Danesh, tell me your doubt is clear or not. Now see, interest on deposit, interest to RBI, of course belong to schedule number 15 because this is what? This is expense. Yes, beta Manoj, very good. Now, payment to and provision for employee. You are a bank. Imagine you are a bank. Think you are a bank manager and you are handling the bank and you have to account for the bank. Then you will enjoy this question. Payment to employees or payment has been provided for employees. It means that is expense, but that is not the interest. It means that will move to which these expenses will be transferred to other than 15 because 15 belongs to interest expense. So these will be transferred to schedule number 16. Clear? Okay, beta. Very good. So beta, since everything you know already here, so I am not giving you the solution of this. Okay, beta. Everything is here. Now, only one point is there to discuss. Only one point is there to discuss. That is very important. This is the point which I want to discuss with you all. But I do not want to make these things waste in any manner because I'm not feeling good energy. I also want break so that I can start AC. Please take a break of 10 minutes. After that, we shall discuss this question. During the break, you can also try this because the word already adjusted interest and amount playing here a good role. Okay, beta. These are the 4 items which have been already adjusted with the interest and discount figure given above. Okay, beta. What will the effect of this one in this? Okay, beta. These have already been adjusted in this. Okay, beta. It means if addition is there and reduction is there, they have been done. Now, why depreciation is also falling in operating expense category and not in depreciation and amortized expense? Because beta Abdul, the format of schedule 3 is for the companies. You have learned, you have practiced a lot in company schedule 3. Okay beta, so you are imaging the same thing here beta. Here are only 4 items you have to prepare in exam. This is the complete format for P&L of bank. Okay beta, and these are really very easy. Anyways, please take a break and think what will happen in this. Okay beta. Danesh, check, we shall meet after the break. Sir, please break दे दीजिए. Hello, Bachu. So now back to class. Everyone, show me your energy. Show me your presence. Fast. So I'm discussing the main point which I already informed you before break. That beta. This is the main point of this question. How you will deal in class. Beta, see. There is a slide I have already prepared for you regarding this. Income and expense. I will post it today. Don't worry. This will be updated on application. Yes, very good, Danesh. See, beta, since in this case already adjusted what is there. Already adjusted what is there. Now tell me everyone, from income, the income tax is reduced or separately it is shown? Of course, separately. It means not from the gross income, it should be reduced. It means this should not be reduced. This should not be reduced. So this will be added back. This will be added back. This will be shown separately. This should not be reduced in this way. Okay, beta? Added back. Okay. Now see, what is the amount of this? 148, beta. This 148 will be added back. First, remember this completely, that this should not be reduced from here. Okay. Now, after that, provision for doubtful debts. Beta, reserve for doubtful debts. This should not be reduced from the gross. This will also be added back. Now, loss on sale of investment is not to be reduced from interest and discount income. Okay, beta, this should also be added back. Beta, rebate on bills discounted. Yes, of course, because interest in the form of discount, in the form of interest, the rebate must be reduced. Closing rebate must be reduced. So this has already been adjusted. It means we do not need to readjust. Okay, beta. Now, what we have to do? These things we need to add it back so that we can reach to the correct figure. Okay, beta. Now, please do a total. What is the total of this? 148 plus 92 plus 12, 252. So, beta, 252 will be added back. 252 will be added back to this interest. Okay, beta. Now, what will be the amount? See. Kahan gaya? Ye raha. Beta, this is the schedule. In this way, you have to prepare schedule. I want to save your time because we have very, very limited lectures in which we have to cover NBFC also along with detailed practice. So, beta, these are the things which we need to add it back. So, we have added back. Now, see, this is the final figure. Based on the discussion, everything was posted with the comparative figure in schedule 13 and in schedule 14. Please check. In this way, you have to prepare. In this way, you have to prepare in exam, beta. This is the way to present your question in exam. Next, now schedule number 15. You have already told me the content. Okay, beta. 16 also. Please see. Please see. All the things must be posted in this way. And after that, the main point for which I am discussing with you all the question. So we comes here. After that, the next point which we will discuss is provision. Beta, we have done these and these. tell me first, up to 13, 14, 15, 16, everything is okay to you all or not? I am waiting for your answer, beta. Only after that I shall move further. Please let me know. Up to this, everything is okay to you or not? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Tell me, everyone. Tell me, everyone. I am waiting. Clear. Clear. Now, there will be a working note for all the provisions. Beta, provision may be for anything, whether for NPA, whether for other expenses, etc., etc. Okay, beta. So we have to prepare a working note. And since in this question, we found only two provisions. We found only two provisions. So we posted here, beta, we have prepared a working note also in this way. We have prepared a working note also, everyone. And what is the total? 240, of course. Beta, if there is no any figure comparatively, then give a dash. And dash doesn't mean anything else except dash. Okay, Shetano. That has already been adjusted, beta. Krishnan. Okay. Now see, the 240 is the provision here. Now, after this, we shall again do the total. Beta, these are the totals. These are the totals, total income and total expense. And then we reached to the current year profit or loss. This is what, this is current year profit or loss, beta. This is current year profit or loss. Please see only the relevant part where I want to make you understood, beta. Correspondingly, last year detail were also given. Since we need opening balance, that can be found out, even though question is not giving us. Beta, last year closing balance is there. You will find in the last year you find that there was a loss. There was a loss. If there was a loss, then is there any question for reserving? Is there any question to transfer the amount to statutory or any other reserve? Of course not. Of course not. If profit is not there, then how can we transfer to reserve? Of course not. So definitely there was no appropriation in the last year. So the full amount was transferred to balance sheet. See, this was the closing balance. This was the closing balance. See, this is the total. See, this is the total which we have to transfer to balance sheet. See, this is the closing balance. This has been transferred to next year as an opening balance. For practice, we need time and we have limited lectures. So I have to do these things in this way. So last year income total is wrong. No, beta, not wrong, beta. That is 7. That is 7. Okay, beta. Manoj, Thakur Saab. So, beta, now come to current year. What the figure we are having in current year? That is 97. That is what? That is 97. The 97 is there, which we need to transfer. Which we need to transfer to reserve or anything else. Beta, only the question is of appropriation of 97. Okay. How will we transfer? Where such will be transferred? As per norms, SLR is how much? That is 25%. SLR is 25%. And beta question is also saying that transfer appropriation. Okay, question has also given the SLR rate, and question is also saying that 5% must be transferred to other revenue reserve. 2430 income is wrong. Wait a minute. How that may be, beta? How such can happen, beta? Okay. 2430. 1696 plus 734, that is 2430. Yes, 2430. Yes, beta. Total was written 2430. Okay. Yeah, 2436, and that's the reason -6 was there. Anyways, now see, beta, what the amount you will transfer? What the amount you will transfer? What the amount you will transfer to statutory reserve? Of course, 25%, but 25% is to be done of 97, or 25 is to be done of 103. Beta, that is the main point here, which need to discuss. Beta, tell me everyone. See, very simple. 25 has been written off the profit of the year, beta. Hence, we shall not reduce 6. We shall not do 25% of 97. We shall do the 25% of 103. So 103 multiplied by 25%, that is the amount which is to be transferred to statutory reserve. That is 25.75. And then this also. Okay, beta. Rest of the amount is there. Which is to be transferred to surplus, as a surplus in the balance sheet. I know these are the new type of question for you, but still I want you all to be more focused, because even though format is new, but that is not typical. That is very easy. Only here you need to calculate the SLR or any other reserve percentage on current year profit or loss. Current year profit. If loss is there, then how can you transfer to any reserve? Okay, beta. Next point is, now moving to the next question, but before that, I want confirmation from all of you whether you all are clear with this question or no. Beta, tell me everyone. I am waiting for a reply. Till this, everything is clear to you all or not? Tell me. Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Next. This is also running, and I am also. Please. Now, we have to read next question, beta. Let's do it fast. Next question is question number 19. Next question is question number 19. Who will tell me schedule number? Who will tell me schedule number? Prepare profit and loss account of KC Bank for the year ended 31st March 2021. Should I do this? Okay, let's do this. This question should be done by us. Okay, beta? Let's do it. Everyone, please prepare a format. And let's do. First, I have to insert a page here. Okay. यहाँ पे मैं copy कर लेता हूँ. Wait a minute. Let's do question number 19. Control C, Control V, and this is moving to next. Everyone prepare a format of profit and loss account. I am removing the figure. Please prepare a format. Please prepare a format, everyone. Format of profit and loss account. We are solving the next question. Easy था. Everything is easy, beta. Everything is easy. Only you have to do practice. Everything will be easy if you will do practice. Please prepare a format. Okay. I have already prepared. I have already prepared. I think you are late. I think you are late. I have already prepared. So I am giving here the question number. Question number and another point are also to be edited. So question number 19. And there is nothing which can be called as a name. Here is only bank's P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2021 as per the question. Okay. Now, next. So we are also required to prepare schedules. Please prepare a format of schedules. I am also preparing schedules format. You must also prepare. Sir, you are copying from the last question. Yeah, that's the maje which you can take after becoming CA. That's the enjoyment after being CA. Okay. Sir, if there is no previous year figure, we need to create reserve on total amount including previous year, and we need to create the current year profit loss only. Better current year profit loss only. Okay, Abdul पटाटे वाला खोजमा नाम बड़ा डिफरेंट रख रखा है अब्दुल. This is schedule 13 and this is schedule 14. रियल नेम क्यों नहीं लिखते अब्दुल यहाँ पे? कोई और बात तो नहीं है अब्दुल? पता चला कोई मारेगा पकड़ के हैं शैतान. रियल नेम से नहीं आते, जैसे तुम लोग आते हो ना उस पे फेसबुक पर इधर उधर शैतानी करने के लिए, तुमने यहाँ पे भी नाम अलग रख रखा है. आओ जी बातें करें. कुछ तो बात है अब्दुल. कुछ नहीं यार, मजे ले रहा था तुम्हारे से, बाकी बच्चे हंस रहे होंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Everyone, what you have to do, you have to just put your all the data into the schedules. 13, 14, then 15 and then 16. Current year, previous year. Sir, if current year figure is there, okay. Previous year figure is not there, then should we draw the format? Yes, beta. Because format is always drawn completely. No, sir, it's uploaded by ICI only. We don't have option to change it. Okay. Sir, उसकी गलती नहीं है. ऐप से आते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके. ओके आलोक. सो आलोक, anyways, schedule 13, 14, schedule 15, that is interest expense. Schedule 16, ये आ गया हमारा, दिस वन इज फॉर ऑपरेटिंग expenses. Okay. And there is also another thing that is called working note. Working note for provision, for calculation of provisions. Yes, Monoji is saying correct. Sir, your energy level increased as the AC increases. Yes. Yes, beta. I was not enjoying the lecture today in starting as it was very, very discomfortable at that time. Anyways, okay, let's discuss and solve the question, beta. Now give me a ready so that I can also get that everyone is ready. Who is ready? Give me your message. Everyone, we shall solve it together. Alok is ready. All rest are enjoying paratha. Okay, so okay, sandwich, etc., etc. Anyways, okay, let's solve. Question number 19. Question number 19. Beta, interest on cash credit. What I'm telling you? Interest on cash credit. Tell me where it will be go. It will be transferred. Sir, of course, schedule number 13. Schedule number 13. See, all the interest incomes will be transferred to, I think there is some problem. Interest income will be transferred to schedule number 13. In exam, use your pencil to save your time. Okay, beta? And then erase because examiner doesn't allow. These are the income which belongs to schedule number 13. Next one is commission on remittance and transfer, commission on letter of credit, LOC, letter of credit. Okay, beta? Government business, profit on sale of building. Other than incomes, all the things must be transferred to other income. Beta, loss is also adjusted as exchange transaction. Profit is always there. So loss is also adjusted. Beta, these will be transferred to schedule 14. This is interest income. And this is other incomes. Next, interest paid on deposit, of course, schedule number 15. Interest expense. Okay. Next, auditor fees, director fees, advertisement, salary allowance, payment to PF, printing machinery, repair. All these belongs to schedule number 16. Other than interest, all the expenses are there. Operating expenses. Beta, please post all these data to the relevant schedule fast. यार अब ये ज्यादा तेज हो गया. थोड़ा हल्का कर दीजिए बेटा. Now please go to schedule number 13 and post all the data there. Sorry. Do it fast. Schedule number schedule number 13. Okay. Adjustments are there. Yes, we shall solve the adjustment also. But adjustments are also there. Yes, please see adjustments. Cash credit, overdraft, interest on term loan. Okay. Cash credit, overdraft and interest on term loan. Okay. Done. Do one thing. Please give space between them. Okay. So that there may be some adjustments also. Okay, everyone. Yes. And after that, do total. So what is the amount? Amount is there 1820 1820 and then 750 and then 1540 there is no adjustment on interest on investments. 1 2 3 cash credit, overdraft and term loan. Yes. So rest of amount you can write directly in the outer column. 840 and 150. 840 and 150. Sir, loss on exchange transaction 15. No, beta. I know you want to post it there. Yes, you can also post there, but still, since the all the data belonging to foreign transactions are counted as income or loss directly in the 14. Okay, beta, those are netted off. Anyways, now please see this. After that, so what we have done, we have posted this, and this. Now posting this. RBI, that is 75. Where is problem? Cash credit, overdraft, interest on term loan, interest on investment, और RBI हो गया 150. Okay, commission. Now commission. Now it is commission. Okay. These are the schedule number 14. Control C. And then Control V. Yes, done. What is the amount? There is no any further adjustment in this, so we can directly post it there. 75, 118, 75, then 118, and then 82, 27, 82, 27, 52. Yes, there is nothing else. Since it's a loss, so it will be represented as minus figure. Yes. Till this everything is okay, everyone. I am waiting for a reply, beta. Till this everything is okay. Is there anything which need to discuss? Next point. After that, now we have already posted these things 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are at this stage. Interest paid on deposit. Yes. Interest paid on deposit. Interest expense. Interest paid on deposit. Control C. And then Control V. Interest paid on deposits. What is the amount? Interest paid on deposit. That is 2720. 2720. Current year, previous year. Current year, previous year. थोड़ा fast, बहुत slow speed. Alok, if I will do this, then definitely there will many who will lose. Anyways, now next. After that, now beta, please move to next point. That is next is auditor. Okay, tell me everyone, do you want to increase my speed? I will definitely do this. But tell me first. Tell me, should I increase my speed? Sir, from where I access your screenshot notes? Beta, you can directly download from ICI application, beta. Whether it is necessary to give heading in the schedule which are given in study material, beta, it's better to give heading because there is a question of presentation of in exam. I am solving here with the minimum presentation in exam. Okay, beta, at least do this. Okay, increase करें. Okay, let's increase speed. Okay, beta. Please note down here the expenses 120, 250, 120, 250, 180, 1240, 1240, 1240, In this case, there is an adjustment, I think. No, no, no. Next one is 280, 140, 280, 140, and then 50 and 80, 50 and 80. So this is what, this is the total figure. Beta, in the corresponding previous year, give dash, and dash doesn't mean anything else except dash. So give dash in the corresponding previous year. Now, okay, Shrangi. Now, after that, we have to prepare another working note, that is for provision. Beta, see, here we have completed all these posting. Yes, now the time is to solve the question with adjustments. Question is saying interest on NPA is as follows. Interest on NPA, non-performing assets, as follows. Beta, first of all, we have to check whether such interest was adjusted or not. Of course, beta, the adjustments below the trial balance is given are always related to that. So beta, where such interest has gone, beta, of course that has already been adjusted in the amount given above. First, we have to take this pre-assumption, although we do not require to give any note regarding this, but still if you will give, then that will be better. We have to presume that the interest on NPA is already adjusted in the figure given above, that is this one, that is this one, this one. It means all the interest have been accounted here as interest on accrual basis, because if until and unless something special is there, everything is recorded on accrual basis. We have to take this pre-assumption. Now what shall we shall NPA, and we shall record the interest on NPA on cash basis. It means in case of NPA assets also, the income has been adjusted here in this way, like those are accrued. Okay, beta. So what we have to do here, we have to do this one. 820 has been added, so we have to reduce in case of NPA interest income, this one. This is required to be reduced because that has been pre-assumed, that has already been credited in the above figure. But please be focused. There can be any doubt. There can be any doubt in this regard. We have pre-assumed, which is a normal assumption, that the interest has already been adjusted in the above figure. Yes. It means in case of NPA, interest on NPA has already been added in the above figure. It means first we have to reduce the earned accrual basis figure, and then we have to add the interest on NPA on received basis. In each and every point, you have to adjust in this way. Please tell me first, is this okay to you all or not? I am waiting for your better reply. Interest on NPA, how it is to be adjusted? Have you completely understood in this? Everyone waiting for your answer, beta. Now I am doing the adjustment in schedule number 13. In schedule number 13, first I will reduce from here minus interest earned on NPA, because that has already been pre-assumed, that has been added here, plus interest received on NPA. Okay, beta, this will be the adjustment which you need to post with each segment where the NPA income belongs here in this question. NPA, NPA. So beta ji, what you have to do here is the adjustment regarding NPA in this way. In case of cash credit, 820 is required to be reduced. Beta, don't do the solution in the manner study material has done. That may create problem for you. The net figure is not required to be adjusted. Otherwise, you can give directly final answer. You will you will be equivalent to the person who has solved the complete step. Okay, beta. 820 minus and then 400 must be added. That has to be shown separately. Next one, minus 450 minus 450 plus 100 minus 750 then plus 250. Okay. Yes. Now final figure is there, 1820 minus 420. We can do directly in the calculator, but not in exam in this way. Okay, beta. In the presentation, you have to show the complete figure. 1400, then 750 minus 350 net. That is 400, of course. 1540 minus 500. 1040. Beta, we have completed these adjustments. Adjustment number 1. We have completed adjustment number 1. Interest on, someone is saying, should I deduct 420 by setting off with 400? No, beta. 820 and then in this way you have to present. Next question. Sir, interest on NPA should record on accrual basis. So why we deduct income earned and add income collected? Beta, I am not taking name. Maybe in recorded lecture, someone will feel. Beta, in case of NPA, income is to be recorded on cash basis. We have learned in the first lecture, beta. In case of NPA, income is to be recorded on cash basis. Or in case of normal standard assets, the income is recorded on accrual basis. And here all the income has been clubbed together. And now adjustment is saying that such income belongs to NPA. On NPA, this is earned and this is received. See, this is what earned means, accrual basis. And here, if on cash basis I will take, then this should be the income. So beta, earned and cash both are different. Okay, beta. Tell me, beta, who was asking this question, is this clear to you or not? That's the reason I always solve the question slowly, because there may be different cases. Okay, beta. Anyways, now we have already solved the adjustment number 1. Now we are solving the adjustment number 3 first. Adjustment number 3. Second, I will solve adjustment number 3 first. Beta, see, question is saying that investment bank should not keep. Beta, regarding this investment, here is also written 25%. Bank should not keep more than 25% as an investment in the bank. Okay, beta. Bank's total investments are how much? 2750. It means 25% and rest are 75%. Bank should not keep more than 25% in held for maturity. Actually, there are 3 cases. Held till maturity and held for trading. Okay, beta. And another point is also I will discuss, beta. Please see this one. 25%, more than 25%, it cannot held till maturity. The market value of its rest investment amounting rupees this one, 1975. Beta see, the question is saying here investments. Those are how much? Those are how much? 75%. 27,50,000 multiplied by 75%. Can you please tell? 27,50,000 multiplied by 75%. Those are how much? 20,62,500. Now, I am telling you one concept regarding this because that is the new point for you. That's the reason I took this before second adjustment. Okay, beta. So I am taking first, third adjustment. So another point is also here. Working note for investments. Actually, beta, you have already learned the investment chapter in first group where you learned this one. Investments are short term and long term. You have already learned. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you are learning the same thing. I am telling you concept with this question. Okay, beta. There are two types of investment you have already learned. Yes, sir. Number one, long term. Yes, sir. We have learned. Another one, short term. Yes, sir. We have learned. How you valued there? Sir, we valued long-term investments are valued at cost, average cost. Yes, sir. In case of short term, you valued at lower of cost or NRV. Rather, I would like to say fair value. Yes, sir. I think I must written full fair value. Otherwise, someone will understand face value. Fair value, lower of fair value and cost. Yes, beta, yes, 13. Same is the case with bank. But a bank has been restricted that he cannot hold his money for the long time. And the style of telling these things, explaining these things is totally different. What they are saying, they cannot hold till maturity more than 25%. Can you please tell the investments which are being held by bank up to the date of maturity? Usually those are long term or short term. I am waiting. Now tell me, the investment held by bank till the date of maturity, normally they must be classified as long term or short term. Can you please tell? I want to see the understanding, the IQ level of the student. I know that is very high, and but still I want to ask you a question like a friend, like a big brother. But tell me, if bank is saying I want to hold this investment till the maturity, normally such may be for long term or short term. Yes, as I expected, the IQ level is very high. Of course, beta, long term. Because maturity level means till the date this will expire. Beta, please check. Someone has answered short term. Please check. Maturity level till the date such investment document will remain in existence. Okay, beta. So this will be treated as long term. So beta, in the Banking Act, how they have classified that held till maturity, the same word was also there in AS 13. cannot be more than 25%. Okay, beta. It means all rest of the investment must be at least 75%. Yes. These are called held for sale. Okay, beta. These investments are there. Yes. Which have been held for sale. Yes, beta. Now, please, moving to next point. After that, in the next class, I will discuss later on at the right moment. Now, come back to the point. What are the type of investment here? In this question, sir, they have clearly said that total investments are 27,50,000 and clearly saying held till maturity. Cannot be more than 25%, up to 25%. It means rest are there. Rest are held for sale. Yes, sir. So tell me, what is the 75% and what is the 25%? Sir, this is 26 to 500. Yes. And what is the balance amount? That is 687,500. So I can say this is what? This is long term, just for understanding. And this is short term. And the market value here is, but a third type will be told in the next class as per the relevant time. Okay, beta, don't worry. As I know, as I always tell you, the theory point are always discussed with the relevant point. As you know, CRR, SLR. Anyways, now please see what is the value, market value, you know, cost or fair value. This is the cost. This is what? This is cost. Yes. Case A is valued as cost. So there is no question of provision. Yes, sir. In case of B, the valuation here is, of course, at lower of cost or fair value. And what is the fair value, beta? Question has given us. The market value of its rest 75% is 1975. It means, beta, this is what? This is 1975,000. It means in case of these investments, there must be a provision. But StudyMate has used word depreciation. Please ignore that. That is a typing mistake. Depreciation cannot be on investment. Okay. See, provision for loss on investment. What is the difference? So 2062 500 minus 1975,000. 87,500 is provision. Yes, beta, very good, Danesh. You are right. Absolutely. Very good, Alok. Very, very good, everyone. Those are answering. So this is also a provision, beta. This is the provision on investments. This is the provision on investment. So I will give first number here. Number 1 on investments. Now, another point provision is also being prepared. Adjustment number 2. Second. This concept will be discussed later on because this need more discussion. Okay. Now the provision is here on NPA, non-performing assets. On non-performing assets. First tell me Up to this, everything is okay or not? I am waiting for your answer, beta. Waiting for your reply. Everyone must reply. I am waiting for your reply, beta. Okay, beta, 75% off. Okay, beta, that has been given in question, Krishnan. Question has given 19 lakh 75,000 fair value. Okay. So please tell me, everyone, everything is okay up to this. There are many concepts which we need to tell sequence wise, because I have made a sequence so that everyone must understood the properly theory and numerical. Yes, sir, crystal clear. Okay, beta. Only 4, 5 have replied. Where are rest of the students? I am waiting, beta. Please, everyone must reply. Now, coming to the provision on NPA, which is very, very easy. In starting, I took the advanced adjustment. Now, that is very, very easy. You can do easily. Now, please solve this. This is the adjustment number 3 on NPA. NPAs are there? Yes, sir. Standard assets is there? Yes. Okay, let's prepare. On standard assets. But what is the percentage? Who will tell? On standard assets. First, I am writing here the figures. These are how much? These are 3,000. Figures are in 1,000. Okay. On substandard. Okay. On NPA. While in category substandard. Then doubtful. And then loss assets. In case of doubtful, we have to check how much time have spent. Okay, there are, in case of doubtful, there are 2 parts. One is secured and another one is unsecured. So one is secured and okay, first do unsecured and then secured. Yes, very good. Everyone is answering perfect. At the rate of 0.40%. Yes. What is the amount? 1,200. Next one is substandard assets. Substandard assets are how much those are. If nothing is given, then always pre-assume it is secured. That is 11, 20. And what is the percentage of secured at the rate of? Who will tell? I am waiting, beta. Who will tell? What is the percentage? Message me fast. In case of doubtful, not covered by security, that is unsecured, that is 2,000. And what is the percentage of this also? 200. So 200. Yes. Secured 50. But remember here, more than how much? More than 1 year. Okay. More than 1 year. It means at least 1 year up to 3 years, you know. Yes. And then loss assets is there. Loss assets is there. That is 200. Very, very good. 15%. Yes, correct. At the rate of 15%. Sorry. At the rate of 15%. What is the amount? 1120 multiplied by 15%. That is 168. Next one. Unsecured, always 100%. 200. Okay, next one. And this is the amount 50, and at the rate of, what is the percentage? Who will tell? I am waiting. Who will tell me the percentage of doubtful more than that, more than 1 year? Yes, Piyush has answered. Very good, beta. 25%, and that is 12.50. And in case of low assets, of course, at the rate of 100, that is 200. What is the total? 200 plus 12.5 plus 200 plus 168 plus 1200. That is what is the total, beta? Tell me, everyone. I am waiting for an answer, beta. 1780 total. Tell me. I am waiting, beta. Okay, okay, this is wrong. 0.40% is there. Okay. Please do total. 12 plus 168 plus 200 plus 12.5 plus 1200. 592.50. Yes. So what is the total provision? Can you please tell? Total provision is there 592 plus 27 point, sorry, 87 lakh 5,000. Yes. So in case of 1,000, how you will convert to 1,000? In this way, 87.50 plus 592. That is, total provision becomes here 680. Okay. Beta, 40%. Why are you taking 40%? Okay. Okay. Yes, beta. Alok. Now please come back to the main solution. There is provision. First I have to put provision. And what is the amount of provision? That is 680. Now, please do the total of each and every statement. 1400 plus 400 plus 1040 plus 840 plus 150 3830. If there is any mistake, then please let me know. Number one is 3830. Correspondingly, give dash in the previous year figure. This is what this is total. Please post it there. I hope I am not so fast. 3830. Give dash. Next. What is the total? 75 plus 118 plus 82 plus 27 minus 52. That is 250. Total here comes out 250. Please post it again, schedule number 14 in the main statement. 250. What is the total? 250 plus 3830. 4080. Next one. Now 15 and 16. Now come to 15. That is only one, there is only one figure, 2720. That is the total. And please do total of 16 also. 120 plus 250 plus 180. Sorry, 120 plus 250 plus 180 plus 1240 plus 280 plus 140 plus 50 plus 80. 2340 is total. So I am posting these totals to the relevant place. 2340 is total of this schedule, and that is only one figure was there, 2720. So total figure is there. Total of this is 2720, and this is this, and this is 5740. So beta, you will find here loss is there. Okay. Minus 1660. Instead of using minus sign, you can put in into bracket. Since there is no profit, there is no question of reserves, etc. Tell me first, everyone, is this okay to you, all of you, beta? Beta, please tell me, everything is okay to you all up to this? Give me reply fast. Everyone? Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Now the point is, beta, we have one more point to discuss first. That is capital adequacy ratio and balance sheet items. But before moving to further, I want to discuss with you all balance sheet items. Balance sheet items, beta, balance sheet format. You know, in case of balance sheet, I have already discussed with you all that these are the schedules. Beta, this is the format. In case of form A, that is the form A for balance sheet, there is a format in which you will find the starting 5 points are. Okay, beta, you will practice, you will find the solution in very few time. Okay, totally matter of question of practice. Now see, beta, starting 5 points are there for capital, for equities and liabilities. As you know, in case of companies, you have learned. Okay. Next, rest of the points are there which belongs to the asset side. And here you will find the liquidity order. Okay. The schedule numbers are there which have been fixed. Number 1 is for capital, number 2 is for reserve and surplus. Then another points are there, 2 points. Those belongs to loans in the form of deposit or in the form of loans. Yes, beta. Danish, yes. Beta, starting 2 points belongs to owners, capital and reserve and surplus. Yes. And next 2 points belongs to loans received from public in the form of deposit or borrowings. And last is others. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका कौन होता है? Others होता है. Okay. Last is others. In the same case, while we are moving to asset side, you will find starting 2 points belongs to cash or bank. Cash or bank, either with its own or with other banks or with RBI. Okay. Balance may be anywhere with other banks, with RBI. That can also be reclassified in the form of Indian, foreign banks, etc., etc. Now, next 2 points. Next 2 points belongs to the main requirement of the bank. Bank takes money and bank gives money for the purpose of interest, and interest is earned from either of 2 points, either investments or advances. Investments or advances. And fixed assets are the part of the balance sheet always. And last, there is others. Please remember the schedule number, because schedule number are fixed there. No number can be reshifted here or there. Okay, beta. So starting 12 numbers are for balance sheet, and then 13, 14, 15, 16 are in P&L. Okay. Now, if I ask you, beta, where you will put the figure of furniture, can you please tell in which schedule you will put the figure of furniture? Can you please tell? I am waiting for your reply, beta. I am waiting for your reply. Who will tell me where you will put furniture in balance sheet? In which schedule you will put furniture? I am waiting, beta. Will you tell where you will put furniture in balance sheet? Schedule number 10. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very easy. Okay, tell me. Loan given. Housing loan given by bank to Ajarati. In the books of bank, balance sheet is there, where bank should show Ajarati, the person to whom bank has financed housing loan. In which schedule bank should classify? Beta, fixed assets are shown in schedule number 10. Yes. So where bank should classify the loan assets, loan given or advances given to Ajarati as a housing finance. Bank has finance to buy house to Mr. Ajarati. So where bank will show? Very, very good. Perfect answer by all. Only one person is there which need to update, beta. Advances, loans are same name. I told you the main purpose of the bank is loan giving, and another name of the loan is here advances. Okay, beta. Now next. Now next one. Next one. I am asking you. Come on, tell me where the bills payable. Sorry. Bills for collection is to be shown. Where the bills for collection is to be shown. सॉरी बी आर क्या बोलते हैं उसको बीजी बैंक गारंटी सॉरी बैंक गारंटी इज टू बी शोन बैंक हैज गिवन गारंटी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इट्स कस्टमर nowadays I am working with a public company which is manufacturing concern, and that is also doing import and export, and usually I found these things practically happening in front of me, that bank bank gives guarantee on behalf of my client to the person who are outside India and sending goods to my client. Means my client is importing the goods from outside, from the foreign customer. He is buying the goods, he is importing the goods, and they send goods only after getting guarantee from my client's bank. Beta, bank gives guarantee on behalf of my client, yes, but in which books? In balance, in the books of banks, in which head bank must show this guarantee given by bank on behalf of my client? बैंक ने जो गारंटी दी है वो बैंक अपनी बैलेंस शीट में किस जगह, कौन से हेड में दिखाएगा, कौन से शेड्यूल में दिखाएगा? वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड Danish. That's the things I am discussing here, beta. Yes, 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 beta. Schedule number 12, because these are the contingent liability. Bank has to pay only if my client is not paying. Okay, beta. Now see, this is the last topic which I need to discuss today. This is the last topic which I need to discuss today. After that, we shall over the session and we shall discuss CAR in the next class, because that is really very, very important from examination point of view. Beta, in schedule number 12, beta, contingent liability. Okay, beta, Jyoti. So please give a heading. Acceptance, endorsement, guarantee by bank. acceptance, endorsement, guarantee given by bank. Beta, in usual term, it is called BG. In usual term, it is called BG. BG means bank guarantee. See, bank prepares a list. Bank prepare, see, bank is here. Yes. Bank has assured to the creditor. This is the creditor and this is the debtor. Bank is the person who belongs to debtor, that is Mr. A. Mr. A has imported goods from Mr. B. The dealing with bank is done by Mr. A. Okay. Now, Mr. B is saying, if your bank gives me guarantee, if your bank gives me assurance, only then I will sell you goods. So bank said, yes, I give you guarantee. BG, it is called BG, bank guarantee. Bank has given guarantee. But how bank gives? Bank first check the bank balance of Mr. A. Okay, bank balance of Mr. A. Both of them want to do business, but both of them are in fear. Mr. A is in fear that if I pay, maybe the goods will not come. Mr. B is in the fear that if I will send goods, maybe the payment will not come. Both of them are assured by bank that don't worry, Mr. B, I will pay on behalf of Mr. A if there is any default. Okay. But how bank gives guarantee? Bank first lock the bank balance so that Mr. A cannot withdraw any amount. Now, but the point is that how such things are to be recorded in the books of bank. Beta, this is what? This is balance sheet of banks. Is this the liability? Tell me everyone, I am waiting for an answer. Is this the liability for bank or contingent liability for the bank? Who will tell me? I am waiting for an answer. Is this the liability for bank or contingent liability for bank? Tell me everyone. Is this the liability for bank or contingent liability for bank? Who will tell me? Of course, contingent. Why? Because bank has to pay the liability only if Mr. A will default. That's another thing that bank will recover from Mr. A. But for bank, it is only contingent liability. Okay, beta? Yes, very, very good. Everybody is answering here perfectly. Yes, beta. Kaji Shoel, you are also in class. This is the first time I receive your message, beta. Anyways, so beta, it is same as we done. Now, there is a question in which you find, I think it was question number 11 or 6, where you were finding the acceptance endorsement. See, this is the last question of class, today's class. Five, 6. In which question we were seeing this? A, B, C, D were there. Yes. See, how bank records? See, beta. Question number 15. From the following details, prepare acceptance, endorsement, and other obligation account as would appear in general ledger. But this is just like you are maintaining the bills for collection in the same way you are maintaining here. ओके बेटा, आई एम हंग्री सर, यस बेटा मेरे को भूख लग रही है, मैं बस क्लास ओवर कर रहा हूँ. ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके बेटा, in next class we shall start from here. in next class मेरे को भी भूख लग रही है. we shall discuss this topic with complete energy. Okay beta, this is the time to get over. Okay, then we shall meet tomorrow in the means in next class. Okay beta, bye bye, take care. Sir please over कर दीजिए session.